The hot and humid summers in Louisiana often really do a number on a lot of our flowering plants, but one type of plant that shines during the summer are our tropical plants. And in Louisiana, we can grow a wide range of these as long as they're what we call root hardy, meaning they can die down in freezing temperatures, but that root stays tough and alive in the ground. And a lot of this is trial and error, but one of the great plants that we do grow are spiral gingers or corkscrew gingers. And you can see why these plants are called that, because the leaves and the stem grow in the spiral staircase pattern. And these are wonderful shade foliage plants. They can take part shade, but full sun, part sun are probably going to cause them to burn a little bit. The genus name for this type of ginger is Costus, and this particular one is Costus spicatus. But in addition to these wonderful, interesting textures that you're seeing here, you're also going to get a host of colors of blooms. And they'll start blooming by first producing this nice bright orange cone, and the individual flowers are actually these tubular structures that protrude from the side, and you'll only have one or two individual flowers per day. But these are really attractive to things like hummingbirds because of the shape. So you're getting this nice color plus this beautiful, interesting shade foliage. And these can easily get 3, 4, or 5 feet tall. There's another variety that is called crepe ginger. It's a spiral ginger. It gets even taller, can easily get 6 feet tall. Again, cold hardy and 8B, which covers Louisiana. And those blooms start with a red cone and then a beautiful white crepe type flower that protrudes from the side but is much larger. So if you're looking for some interesting texture or color, especially in the summer for shady spots in your yard, look at the Costus gingers, the spiral or staircase gingers. For Get It Growing, I'm Jason Stagg with the LSU AgCenter.